How to create online assessment tests. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create online assessment tests. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And in creating an online assessment test, we're going to use this platform called Prep AI. And to create an account on Prep AI, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Prep AI, it is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to help users prepare for a variety of exams, particularly in the fields like data science, machine learning, and coding. And it leverages AI to provide personalized study recommendations, generate practice questions, and offer detailed explanations, allowing users to efficiently prepare for exams and assessments. And now to start using it, you can click the link in the description below or click the Get Started button on the top right corner, where you can start signing in using your Google account or by filling out your full name, your working email, and also generate your own password. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page, and it will show you the step-by-step process on how you can start creating here the online assessment test. As you can see, we have here the first step, which is to choose a content, or you could also choose a subject. And below, as you can see, you can choose here either a text by simply pasting here the text that you prefer using the URL, topic, document, and even video and audio in here. So basically from here, all you need to do is to firstly choose which kind of content type this platform Prep AI to choose the kind of source that you want in here in creating your own online assessment test. You'd also choose video by simply selecting here the source such as Google Drive, upload a video from your computer files, or even from YouTube video. And you can also choose an audio if you want to. And under the subject, you can simply enter here the select pattern and also the subject in here, either science or maths. Select the grade, select chapter, and even marks in here. And you could also choose this standard test. However, you must have an upgrade account to do so. Now let's say from here, to start doing it, I'm going to choose the content type, which is text, and going to paste here the text or a terminology with the terms and also a definition of it. So after simply pasting here all of the context that will serve as our source of creating an online assessment test using this Prep AI platform, the next thing that we need to do below here is to scroll down until you find here this question types, either easy or medium multiple choice question. And after that, you'd also choose the number of question in here or count. We have here up to 25, 10, and many more. You could also choose here to include a visual if you want to. And now to proceed, just simply click generate question and click yes, generate anyway. And from here, all you need to do is wait for it to be fully generated, and it may take some time before it will start generating. However, going back on this page, make sure you also enter here the quiz title for your online assessment test. And after that, just proceed again by filling out or entering the question typing here and even the question count. And if you also want to add a visualization. However, by generating this anyway, it will show you an update on the top right corner if your request has been added in a queue, since there is high traffic at the moment, meaning many online users who also using this platform also submitted at the time that we just submitted to generate an online quiz in here. But while submitting another kind of entry in here, it will show you on this pop-up window that you also need to complete your profile to continue, including to answer the question, what best describe your role? I'm going to select student. And how did you discover Prep AI? I'm going to choose Facebook and simply entering here or updating your contact number. Then click the finish button to proceed saving it. And now to start tracking the progress of our request, all you need to do is simply go to the top panel in here and kind of proceed by clicking the My Question Papers option on the top right corner. Since as you can see, we're currently under the step 1, which is to complete profile. So again, to move on, just simply click the My Question Papers on the top right corner. By clicking on it, you should be able to see here or to track all of our question papers that has been submitted. And as you can see, I've already submitted multiple entry in here or requests. So all we need to do is simply wait for it to form a questions for our online assessment. But as you can see, most of our submitted quiz in here or information has no generated questions by this platform. So we can start deleting it and just wait for it for the other progress entry in here or our request. Or alternatively, you'd also submit another request with different type of sources such as video, audio, and many more. But overall, in submitting a sources in here on creating an online assessment test, all you need to do is simply proceed to the step 2 after proceeding or after completing your profile to step 1. And after that, it will show you some of the question given using the information or sources that you just input in here. And all of those questions in your online assessment can be customized depending on your preferences, such as to customize the question or the choices in here. And after that, for the step 3, you can even download or conduct the first quiz to test how the respondent will answer or what they will see once they try to answer our online assessment test. So you could also start waiting on your email inboxes for the file or for the requested status to be approved, or if it has been generated a question for your online assessment. And again, it may take some time since, as you can see, it is currently being progress because of the many traffic that has been going on today. But overall, that is just basically how you can create online assessment tests. Thank you.